Whether we are happy in our life or sad, it is not dependent on what we have in our life, comforts. The happiness is within. We may be having everything in abundance, still can be sulking within. The happiness we have to seek within. It is not the body. Body is not complaining, I need that one. The mind is saying, I'm not happy. Or mind is saying, I am happy. The mind is within. Happiness is within. We have to seek within. The core of our happiness is within. Further we go away from our core, chaotic is our life. Our life becomes chaotic. To find the happiness, make an effort to connect within. Go within. Mind is like a key to a door. With the same key we can close or open. Mind is can give us abundance of happiness or sadness. So, mind is bigger than the body. It is said, mind is the king, body is a slave. And if you look at the advertisements, the most of the commercial advertisements are body oriented. They say, buy this one, you will be happy, but it's a body oriented product. Hardly any advertisements, very few advertisements for your going within. We are so tempted to go out. We tried so many things, still we are not happy. What it is saying, you have gone too far away, you make a connection within. 1 in 5 Australians are going through mental health issues. Now the ratio has gone up even higher after pandemic. Right from the children, they are experiencing the mental health issues. The physical health, if I have some problem with the physical health, it can be diagnosed and treated well. The mental health, many people, they don't want to admit also. It is very difficult to diagnose and treat also. Treating the mental health is far more challenging than treating the physical side. It is said the mental health, most of the diseases come to us first in the mental level. Then, if it is not addressed properly, it percolates down in the physical level and get manifested. They say cancer and other things, stress-related problem, it has started long before it get manifested in the physical level. It is in the mental health, we haven't addressed that one. That is, the mind is the origin, it started there, and slowly it get manifested through the physical body. The signs of mental health, the signs are depression, anxiety, restlessness, sleeplessness, eating disorder, obesity problem, and erratic behavior, anger management. These are the signs of mental health. Mental health is very important for the individual level. If I have a mental health problem, not only it is challenging for me, my family members are suffering because of me. My children or wife or husband, my parents, they get affected because of my mental health. And my colleagues, if I come to work, my colleagues get affected because of my mental health. For an organization, mental health is very important to improve the employee engagement, to they increase the productivity. The health of the organization is dependent on health of the individual also. Organization cannot just brush it off that it is that person's problem, because it is affecting the bottom line of the organization. Not only organization, the family, community, and it is quite important. And mental health people, they say in my organization, I am not used well. People cannot say you are useless. It is said you are useless, not useless, you are useless. Before your boss or somebody identifies your talent, you should know what is your core strength. We ourselves don't know what is my core strength. Core strength, discover when you start connecting within, you start identifying, this is what my core strength. I need to find a pitch where I can play the game of my life. I don't know where I am playing. My life is not just centered around 9 to 5 job. It is not confined only to whatever is my work career. My life continues beyond that one. My talent should be somewhere that is I can apply in the organization also. You should enrich your personality. Look for your core competency. When you have strengthened your roots, you can handle challenges in your life. I never connected to myself. Small problem, I go into depression. I go into anxiety mode. I can't handle challenges. I can't handle. Other day, one person's daughter, and it seems in year 10, daughter asked for latest iPhone. Father said, not now. That girl committed suicide. And we can't handle small. It's if I'm not getting, it's giving up, going into depression is not the solution. Connect within. Engage right from the childhood, every day, connect within, sync with your breathing. When the breathing, your mind is connected to the breathing, mind calms down. And strengthen your root. When the roots are strong, the gust, whatever gust comes in your life, you can stay tall through that one. Stay tall. The most important person in your life is not your husband, not your wife, not your children, not your friends, not your boss, not your organization, but you are the most important person in your life. Like in the airplane, they say in case of emergency, put on the oxygen mask onto yourself before helping others. Otherwise, there may be 2 casualties. First, look after yourself. You are most important in your life. You have to invest time for yourself. Not to say, I don't have time. You have to make time. Invest time for yourself. Spend time for yourself. Early morning getting up or walking alone, not always chit-chatting, and spend time for yourself. Enrich your being. When you are so enriched, you are of great value to your family, great value to the organization, great value to the community. You are the invaluable person. You connect within, seek within. The mental health, what it is talking about, not to say I'm not getting an opportunity, and world is a small stage, universe is an arena. Play your game well and celebrate your life. Not to say I'm depressed, I'm not getting what I want. And the incentive or bonus alone cannot motivate you. It can inspire you for a short duration. When you find your pitch, when you find your game, then you are happy for no reason. I am happy, I am celebrating my life. Wherever I go, my life is a celebration. And that person can become a true leader. World is in bad need of true leaders. World is looking at you to inspire others. Do not underestimate yourself. You are invaluable. You can contribute a lot to your community, generations to come. May your generations to come get inspired by your lofty living. It's the message for Are You Okay? And mental health.